Go, Max.
He's afraid.
Nope, he's like, I'm not doing it. He'll slowly, like, probably, venture out a little deeper every time.
So do...
I had to trick him into, like, going into deep water to make him swim. Like, over the way on the other end of the pond gets real deep really quick. I threw a stick in him up and he went right under, so he had to swim. And then he kind of flopped around, but then he learned after that.
I see.
He wasn't afraid.